Hi, I'm going to review a couple of the points that we have gone over to support the heart. One is the Lao Gong point. This point is in the center of the palm. So when you just curl your your fingers over, wherever your middle finger touches, that's going to be the point for you. It's going to be different for everyone. And I like to massage on the left hand first with the right thumb. This activates endorphins. Smile, breathe. And if you're seated, just let your hands rest on your lap. This beautiful energy of love is coming from my heart, out my thumb like light, massaging this Lao Gong point, helping me settle my worries, calm my spirit. And then the right hand, same thing, curl it over where that middle finger touches. Good. Noticing how that feels. Another great point is just at the bottom of the pinky. So if you curl this over, it's on the outer aspect of this, just below this joint. And just massage on the left. Oh, a little tender for me. And then move over to the right. I find it easier when my pinky's curved. See where that joint is? Right below. This one's tender too. Relaxing as you breathe. Nice. Noticing how you feel. The next 2 points I'm going to show you are 3 finger widths down from your wrist crease. So we're all different anatomically, but it's approximately there on the inner arm. You can put your thumb into that spot, and it's between the tendons there. And I like to dig around till I find the spot. It doesn't have to be exact, but usually there's like a little pond that you dip into. That's the spot. So massage there on the left arm. But there's another spot directly opposite on the outer arm. So you can massage them both together. This calms the spirit, helps nurture the heart system. And then move over to the right side. Again, 3 finger widths down on either side. Nice. And then this next spot is Shen Men, or Heart 7. We have this wrist bone here, pointy, bony. Say you're walking along down from the pinky, you trip on the wrist bone and you fall into a pond. And it's right below that wrist bone. On me, it's in these wrist creases. And it depends on your anatomy, whether it's on the inner or outer part of that tendon there. For me, it's on the inner. So this calms the spirit and the heart. All these points, but this one in particular calms the Shen. And then the other side. Relaxing, smiling as you breathe. And then the last point is the Sea of Tranquility, my favorite. This point is just right between the nipples, and there's a depression there. So if you follow the sternum down, there's a little depression. It can be tender. So this isn't a point we put a lot of pressure on. I use my middle finger and I gently massage in a circle, shooting light in. This is the Sea of Tranquility. So what does that mean to you? I like to think of a beautiful, calm, tranquil sea. That is me. If you can't quite get to this point or find it, it's your intention. Just massage where you can. Beautiful. Just take a couple of breaths. I feel so calm now. I hope you do too, and I hope that was helpful. Bye for now.